In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Youtooz discount promo codes in 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Youtooz discount promo codes. Search and select the website which is called youtooz.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list of different promo codes that we can use to get the discount. And for example, if I want to get this one with 10% off, all I have to do is select copy code right here, and this is a discount code that I can copy and I can use it on my next purchase in order to get this discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called couponwords.com. We'll have to open it. And as you can see right here, we also have a list of different promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this 10% discount offer, all I have to do is select the code right here, and I can copy this code and use it on my next purchase in order to get this 10% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.